In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsend a message online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a message you've sent, what the time limit is, and a few practical tips to avoid common pitfalls. First, open the Line app on your phone. If you've been signed out, go ahead and log in when prompted so you're taken to your home screen. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, since unsending needs to sync with Line's servers to take effect on both sides. Next, head to the Chats tab. You'll find it on the main navigation bar. It's where all your conversations live. From there, tap to open the conversation that contains the message you want to remove. This works the same in one-on-one chats and in group chats. Now locate the exact message you want to take back. This can be a text, an image, a sticker, or another media file. Press and hold directly on that message bubble. After a moment, a small menu will appear on your screen. On iPhone and Android, the menu may look slightly different, but the option you're looking for is the same. Tap Unsend. If you don't immediately see it, double-check that you're long pressing the correct message you sent, not the other person's message. Also remember there's a strict time limit. You can only unsend within 24 hours of sending. If the window has passed, the unsend option won't be available. When you tap Unsend, Line will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to remove the message. Read the warning so you understand what will happen, then tap Unsend again to confirm. Once you do, the message is removed from both your chat view and the recipient's chat view. A few important notes to keep in mind. Unsending is powerful, but it isn't a time machine. The other person might have already read the message or seen it in a notification preview, and there's always a chance they took a screenshot. Also, you can only unsend messages you sent yourself. You can't remove someone else's messages. If you're unsending media like photos or voice messages, the same long press and unsend flow applies. And once a message is unsent, you can't restore it, so confirm carefully before you proceed. That's all there is to it. Open Line, go to Chats, enter the conversation, long press the message, choose Unsend, and confirm. Use it within 24 hours for texts, images, stickers, and media, and you'll keep your chats tidy and mistake-free. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.